So hello guys, our today's tutorial is on how to draw a straight slot in Solidworks. So this is our home page. So firstly select all the planes and click on show. Then I just wanted to draw a slot in the front plane, so I am selecting here the front plane and click on sketch. So go to the slot menu and select the straight slot menu. So this is it, you can see also on screen straight slot. So I'm just selecting here the center line of the two centers of that slot, so you can easily drag your radius. You can also see here the dimensional menu, so you can select the X and Y menu also. So I'm selecting here the width and the length of the slot, so I am selecting here the 40 and horizontal slot as 80 mm. This is the center to center distance, you can also see at the slot menu. So this is our today's tutorial, how to draw a straight slot in SolidWorks. So thank you.